Myself, Miss Smita Suresh Hadgaonkar, working under the guidance of Professor Anjali S. Rajboj. I am presenting my seminar topic Preparation of Conducting Polymer Nanocomposites and Their Applications under the Pre-PhD coursework 2021. Our department coordinator is Dr. Bapurao Shingte sir. Need of the work: the synthesis of conducting polymer nanocomposites for the electrochemical application. The development of biosensor is crucial for the detection of various biomolecules like glucose, ascorbic acid, dopamine, etc. For the sensing, it is necessary to synthesize conducting polymer nanocomposites of transition metals. The synthesis of these polymer nanocomposites by chemical polymerization method. For the biosensing, it is important to synthesize transition metal nanoparticles and their nanocomposites. In this research plan, we have present some recent cyclic voltammetric studies of the biomolecules like glucose sensing will be undertaken. The present work will include the synthesis of transition metal nanocomposites and the use of these prepared nanocomposites in glucose sensing using potentiogalvanostat. Why to use the transition metal nanocomposites? Because of their high conductivity, high surface to volume ratio, enhanced optical properties, dielectric properties, sensing properties, conducting properties, etc. Enhance their mechanical strength and develop new smart materials for the use in modern and future technologies. Prompted by all these observations, we herein report an easy synthesis of transition metal nanocomposites and their applications in biosensing. Methodology: synthesis of transition metal nanoparticles and their composites by various methods and their characterization by various techniques have been included in this slide. First, we can see the synthesis of copper nanoparticles by simply sol gel method. Secondly, green synthesis of silver nanoparticles is shown, in which Ficus bengalensis decis banyan tree plants are used. In the third, electrochemical synthesis of tin nanoparticles have been shown. And fourth, fifth and sixth figure indicates the various characterization techniques like FTIR, XRD and SAME. Outcomes of these nanocomposites and nanoparticles is electrochemical detection of glucose by transition metal nanocomposites using modified electrode. In this diagram, we can see first figure shows the electrochemical behavior of bare platinum electrode and polypyrrole platinum electrode were studied in cyclic voltammetry. 0.01 molar ferricyanide at scan rate of 100 millivolt per second. It was seen that electroactive surface area for modified polypyrrole platinum electrode was found to be 2.05 times higher than that of the bare electrode. In figure C and B, D, there are the CV responses of polypyrrole platinum electrode at different scan rate 20 to 150 millivolt per second in 0.1 millimolar potassium ferricyanide in potassium nitrate solution, and linear plot of peak current versus scan rate, and last is the square root of the scan rate. Thank you. या हे काही होईल